I also got for the first time 500-gram fountains. I'm not really a fountain guy, considering that when I used to get those cheap fireworks from the store, which were pretty much the legal fireworks that you'd find, most of them had smoke balls and fountains, and I really wasn't particularly a fan of the fountains because, they were, to me, they were crap because they only lasted a few seconds. I got this because I saw a video of it, and it was pretty decent for what it did. It lasted long. I believe this one lasted about a minute or so, and it gave out 5 different levels of effects, I believe, and it ended, I believe, in crackling and whistling and reports, and it was definitely interesting. It was a big reason why I decided to get it. Tequila Sunrise.
Billy, Angel!